learned in your marriage of so many years? So, yeah.
I'll, I'll share with you that. And as you asked me this question, I'm reminded of one very nice joke. There was this husband and wife who were celebrating their 50th marriage anniversary. So everybody started asking, what is the secret of, 50 successful years of marriage? Then the husband said, very simple. We both have decided among ourselves. My wife will make all the small, small decisions in life, and I will make all the big, big decisions in life. I don't interfere in her small decision. She does not interfere in my big decision. They said, this is wonderful, but what are the small, small decisions that your wife makes? Well, she decides where we are going to purchase the flat. She decides which school our children will study. She decides what we'll do with the salary money. She decides where our investments will be. Hold on, hold on. If she makes all this according to you, small, small decisions, then what are the big, big decisions that you make? Oh, when I read the newspaper, I tell my wife, I don't think Narendra Modi should have done demonetization. And my wife agrees to it. So the big decisions I take, the small decisions my wife takes. So I was just thinking that how beautiful is the way you look at things, just need to let go. Don't make a big thing about. See, the other point is, I feel when you have nothing big to do in life, then every small thing will become big. But if you have a bigger purpose in life, then you will be able to make small, small sacrifices. We have been married for 28 years now. So
Okay.
another 2 years, and yeah, we'll complete 30 years of marriage. And I feel the success. I always tell this. I'm a Gujarati. My husband is a Bengali. So I always tell them, West Bengal and Gujarat, and beach mein there is Vrindavan. Because there is Vrindavan in between. Because we both have this higher purpose. Yeah. We both want to serve Krishna. We both want to serve Srila Prabhupada. And for that, small, small things hota rehta hai, but, we don't bother about it and we keep going. Because, see, when you're getting higher pleasure, then small pains, you can just let go them. And my message for everybody will be is that um, just let go small things. See, to create a relationship, you need to give. To sustain a relationship, you need to forgive. Forgive and forget. Don't keep any grudges. Everything is going to pass away. When you keep that higher goal of Krishna consciousness, then all the small things you'll be able to give up. There was this very interesting book that I had read in my college days, When the World Collides. This story was how about, it's a fictional story that the scientists make an announcement that within 2 months, the whole Earth planet is going to be destroyed because there's one big other planet coming closer to it and it's going to, clash. So initially people did not believe. But after a few days, they saw, yes, there is a big red color globe coming very closer to Earth. So now everybody's behavior changed. People thought, anyway, we are going to die. So when people, thought, I've given this person loan, but what will I do by returning, getting the money back? Okay, you can keep the loan. In the restaurants, people thought all the grocery, anyway, it will get wasted. So they stopped charging people, okay, come and eat free food. Then people were released from the prison. Anyway, they're going to die in 1 month. Let them get connected to their family members. And those children who were, now became NRIs and have left their parents, they came back. No, we should spend some quality time with our parents. The whole world became such a beautiful place. People stopped locking their houses. जो ले जाना है ले जाओ. क्या करेंगे? 2 महीने के बाद तो सब मरने ही वाले हैं. And the whole world became so beautiful place. Everybody was loving each other. But then, lo and behold, that planet which was coming closer to Earth started drifting away. And the scientists said, no, now Earth is not going to be destroyed. Everything is safe. Then again, people came back to their original natures. Ye mera hai, ye tumhara hai. And then I was just wondering that when we see things in a picture of, the higher picture, then the small things will be like, jane do. But then we think that I'm going to eternally live here. Then only we have all these problems. How can I compromise? Why should I compromise? But when we really believe it, that we are temporary in this world, then we would like to be very loving with everybody, sacrifice, compromise, tolerate, give love, affection, compassion to everybody. So yeah, there are so many such things, So the whole point is, it boils down to Krishna consciousness. And I feel for, husband and wife to have strong relationship, they should read together. Very important. every day, like at 20 minutes, 25 minutes, just read together any particular chapter of Bhagavatam, chant together, read together. There is a saying na, in English, a family that prays together stays together. That's it. If they read together, they'll get blessings of Prabhupada, Krishna, and everything will be wonderful in their life.
Yes, very true, Mataji. Like